Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I want to show you how to find the first and last occurrence of a particular value in a data set. We'll do this using data where the values are not necessarily in any particular order, so that makes what we're doing a little bit more tricky. The sample file I'm using is called first to last, and that is an Excel file you can download using the link that I provide in the video description below. Over on the left, in columns A through C, I have a set of orders with my very creative customer names and their amounts. What I'd like to do is to find the number of the first order for customer red and also the number of the last order. So I don't care about anything in between. In this case, I just want to know the number of the first order in this data set and the last order in this data set from this customer. So let's start with our formula in F3. I'll type in equal, and we'll use XLOOKUP. The lookup value is in F2, then a comma. The lookup array will be our customers. That's from B2 through B16, then a comma. And the return array will be in column A. We're not worried about the amount. We just want to know the number of the order. I don't need to change anything else here, but we will need to make one very important change to find the last order. So I'll type array parentheses, and I get red with 1002, and that in fact is the first order. XLOOKUP, the way that we just used it, will find the first occurrence and ignore everything else. It will stop at that point. What we want to do now to find the last order is look from the bottom. And that is a parameter or argument that we can set within the formula. So in F4, I'll type equal XLOOKUP. The lookup value again is in F2. That hasn't changed. Then a comma. The lookup array is the same, B2 through B16, then a comma. Return array, A2 through A16, then a comma. And now we need to tell XLOOKUP how to search. I'm not going to set a value for if not found. I assume it will be. And in fact, if a customer has only placed one order, then the first and last will be the same. So a comma. We can do an exact match, so I don't need to make a change here. And search mode, we will set to -1, which is searching from last to first. So instead of starting at the top and working our way down, we will start at the bottom and work our way up. So that will be -1. And then a right parentheses and enter. And the last order is 1013, which is correct. And we can test the formula using our other two customers. So instead of red, we'll do brown. So first and next to last, and then green. And there are our values. If you want to find every order from a customer, then rather than using this technique, you should use the filter function. So I'll just show you how to do that over in cell H5. So I'll do equal, filter. The array will be A2 through C16, then a comma, and we want to include everything from B2 through B16, where it equals the value in I2. Then a right parentheses and enter, and there are the values. We have all of the orders from customer green, or it could be customer red, or it could be customer brown. And you can always work with the formatting over here on the right to make sure that the numbers are displayed correctly. I hope you found this technique to be useful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.